5 and 6, 7 and, oh, hey, didn't see you there.
My name is Rajan, and I was just practicing my dance moves for our 10th birthday celebration on April 24th. I guess while you're here, we can go over a little bit of hygroscopic art. What is hygroscopic? It literally means it's just the ability of one substance, let's say salt, to absorb another molecule, like water. Today, we're just gonna go over a little example of that to teach you what hygroscopic means. It's gonna be super fun, and I can't wait to see your masterpieces. So first, let's go over what materials we'll need. So we need a piece of paper to paint on, salt to salt our paper, watercolor, paintbrush, and a cup to hold our paint or watercolor. Very simple, this activity. These are the steps that you have to take. So first, you want to paint with your choice of color. After each stroke, what you want to do is sprinkle a little bit of salt. Once complete, you want to let your masterpiece dry. 4, you want to discard any extra salt. And then 5, you're all done. If you guys do want to share your masterpieces with us, be sure to post on Facebook or Instagram using the hashtag DCMis10. Without any further ado, let me take you guys on a video demonstration showing you guys how to make this painting. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I have my piece of paper, I have my salt shaker, I have my watercolor, I have the cups to hold the watercolor as well. So the first step is paint with your color of choice. So you want to get some paint and just go ahead and paint whatever you would like. So after each stroke that you take, or pretty close to it, you want to sprinkle some salt. You want to use a little bit goes a long way. And you're more than welcome to use any colors that you would like. So you want to paint, paint, paint. And then once you're done, you want to make sure that you have plenty of salt on each of it. There you go, and mine says DCMis10. Once complete, you want to let your masterpiece dry. So I'm gonna put this one over here and show you guys the dry one that I already have. So here we are. I have a dry one. And what you want to do next, step number 4, disregard any extra salt. So as you can see here, it left a cool little design on our paper. So I have some big questions for you. Why does the salt absorb the water? I'll give you a second to answer. And then if you want to see if you're correct, it's a physical change when the salt absorbs the water and leaves the pigment behind. The second physical change is that once the salt has dried, it dehydrates and recrystallizes, leaving behind interesting patterns and visuals, textures in the dried watercolor. There we go today. I hope you guys learned what hygroscopic is, and I hope you had fun making your little masterpiece. Like I said, if you guys would like to share, please share via our hashtag or just tag us in it on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you guys for tuning in. Happy birthday, DCM, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.